Hi everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 anti-aging foods that you should include in your diet. As we age, our body's natural defense mechanisms against free radicals weaken, leading to a decline in overall health. The good news is that by consuming certain foods, we can help slow down the aging process and improve our overall health. Number 10. Berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are particularly high in antioxidants and have been shown to help protect against cognitive decline. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonols that can help reduce inflammation and protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays. It's also been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, which can help keep cognitive function sharp. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats and antioxidants. They're also high in vitamin E, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are particularly beneficial. Number 7. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They can help protect against inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to slow down aging. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against cognitive decline. They're also a good source of vitamin D, which is important for bone health. Number 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays. They're also rich in vitamins A and C, which can help boost the immune system. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They can help improve heart health, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. It's also been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, among many other benefits. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. It's also been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. It's been shown to help improve brain function and protect against certain types of cancer. There you have it. The top 10 anti-aging foods that you should include in your diet. By consuming these foods regularly, you can help slow down the aging process and improve your overall health. So, start incorporating these foods into your diet today and see the difference it can make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life wellness tips and practical healthy hacks. Thanks for watching.